In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can update the Zoom app on Android. So this is very straightforward. Just head to the Google Play Store, then in the search bar, just search for Zoom and then hit search. The Zoom Cloud Meetings app will pop up. You can tap on it. And then for me, it says uninstall and open, but for you, it will say update there instead of open. All you need to do from here is to tap on the update button that will begin downloading the update, and then it will install the update automatically for you. And then you'll have the latest version of the Zoom Cloud Meetings app. If you don't want to go in every single time and manually update the app, you can go to the front page of the Google Play Store, then tap on your profile icon at the top right-hand corner. Then you want to tap on settings, and then network preferences, and then auto update apps. From here, you want to select over Wi-Fi only. That is the best option for you, because then when you're on a Wi-Fi connection, all your apps will get automatically updated for you. If you select over any network, then that's going to use up your data. So I recommend setting it to over Wi-Fi only to automatically update Zoom for you. And that's all there is to it. So that is how you update the Zoom app on Android. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.